So hello guys, it's me, your boy Novice. So without any kind of bullshit, let's dive into straight to our point. So you guys are looking to find daily buys, right? To find daily buys on Forex pair at the start of your day, always do analysis on DXY. For example, if the DXY shows a sign of weakness, then look out for EURUSD, AUD or GBP for buy trades. So that's it. Go into DXY and shift into time frame, higher time frames like daily or 4 hour or 1 hour. I recommend you to do analysis from daily time frame. On daily time frame, what we can see here is market just recently disrespected this bearish fair value gap. As soon as the market disrespected it, what you can see is we can also see the bullish fair value gap over here, and market tapped into this bullish fair value gap. As soon as the market tapped into this bullish imbalance, market give huge bullish pressure over here. And what we can also see is market also created another bullish fair value gap, which the market is trying now to tap into this. Maybe in one day you can look out for a sell trade so the market can tap into this bullish imbalance over here. And the another thing that I recommend you guys is to focus on the correct price action instead of looking at all this bullshit at this back time frame of 2000 July or any kind of shit. Just focus on time frame of September. So now let's shift into 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, what we can see is market disrespected this 4 hour bullish imbalance and created inversion fair value gap. And another thing what we can see over here is market also attracted some kind of buyers in this market just to take out their liquidity. Once the market tapped into this 4 hour bullish imbalance, market gave another bullish candle over here just to attract some buyers and take out their liquidity at this point. So you gotta see all these things. If the market is showing bearish pressure, then you should move with the correct price action instead of taking any kind of blind trades. So I have taken trades yesterday. I took two trades, and both of the trades tapped into my take profit over here. And I'm also going to explain all these things in this video. And these are the two trades that I took yesterday. So as you guys can see, both of the trade tapped into my take profit, and I took both of the buy trades you can see over here. So the first trade that I took on Euro USD, I took that trade on 1 minute time frame. So this was the reason why I took this trade on Euro USD is you can see the market. I always take trade on London session, which the London session starts in 2 o'clock. So this was the London session I took the trade on. And what we can see, the reason behind this trade is you can see the market. Let me shift in the 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, what we can see is market has created huge imbalances over here. I wanted the market to tap in at least at this zone. And what we can see on DXY as well, market recently inverse this bullish imbalance, creating an inversion fair value gap. So we can see the bearish pressure at this point. So if the DXY shows a sign of weakness, then I'll obviously look for buy trades over Euro USD. So that's the reason I shifted into 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, what I saw was market disrespected this bearish fair value gap, inversed it, and what we can also see is market traded this 1 hour. Let me point it out. Market created this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Market tapped into it, and at this point, market was completely respecting this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So, and my liquidity target was this point over here on 15-minute time frame. So yeah, this was the New York launch session liquidity that I targeted, which the market tapped into this bearish fair value gap over here. You can see this market tapped into it, market gave rejection, respected it, went down. So this was the liquidity point for me, that I was here that market will tap into this and hunt down the buy side liquidity. So as soon as I saw all these things, first thing the market tapped into this, I mean inverse that 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and then after market tapped into this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, it was respecting it, and I was looking for some kind of manipulation move in 1 minute time frame to take my entry. So at this point, London session just started. As soon as the London session started, I took my first trade, and it tapped into my take profit. So this was the range where the 1 hour liquidity was resting above, and market took out this liquidity over here. Right side. Um, I was waiting for manipulation move. I want the market to attract some kind of sellers at this point just to hunt down their liquidity. What we can see over here is market traded equal highs over here. You can also turn on this indicator equal highs and lows. So you can see this equal highs that market was rushing over here by sell liquidity. Marked it out. And what we can also see over here is market created some kind of bearish sense of character. I know most of the people might have taken their trade in this fair value gap, like short trade at this position, stop loss over here, and targeting maybe 1:2. So I was pretty sure this was the manipulation move just to hunt down the liquidity, and the market did what I expected. So I was pretty sure this was the manipulation move. So I was waiting for this 1 minute time frame. I was looking at this bearish fair value gap over here. I was waiting for this 1 minute bearish fair value gap to get inverse. I executed my position over here. Stop loss at this point, and guess what? Market almost tapped into my stop loss. So as you guys can see over here, my stop loss was below this week. My trade almost got stopped out by just tip. So this was the 1 minute time frame. At this point, we can see huge volatility in the market. Market inverse this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. We can see another bearish fair value gap. We can see this bullish fair value, a bullish candle, another bullish candle. Again, market came down, and finally the market gave the move that I was expecting for it. So this was the 1 hour fair value gap, bearish fair value gap liquidity that I was expecting the market take out. So market tapped into it. I was just expecting for 1:2 grade. So market first trade tapped into my take profit. So here I'm back again. So it took a lot of time for me to remember this trade setup. So that's the reason why you guys must do journaling. So it took a lot of time for me to remember this trade setup, and it helps you to remember your past trade mistakes and your past trade setups. So at this point, what you can see over here is market traded this bullish fair value gap over here. I wanted the market to tap into this for bullish fair value gap, and as well as take out these two equal lows which was resting over here. Higher time frame equal lows are the magnet for the market to take out the liquidity. I want the market to tap into this bullish fair value gap before showing any kind of bullish pressure, even if the market wants to go up. But my bias for the day was bearish. I was pretty sure market will come down over here to tap into this daily imbalances. So what you can see over here is you can see this 4 hour two equal lows resting below over here. As soon as I saw that, I shifted into time frame like 5 minutes to look out for possible trade opportunities. So this was the 4 hour equal lows that market was resting below. So I could have easily entered my trade as soon as the market inverse all this bullish fair value gap. I could have taken this entry at this uh 5 minute fair value gap. I wait for the market to tap into this 5 minute fair value gap, shift into lower time frame, but I completely failed to take out this trade on this move. I was late for the trade, and I was looking for some kind of trade at this point. So what I saw was there was this 5 minute fair value gap. I wanted the market to respect this 5 minute bearish fair value gap if the market wants to go lower. So what the market did, market respected this 5 minute bearish fair value gap. I shifted into EURUSD. Then I shifted into 1 minute time frame to look out for any kind of possible trade setups. So here you can see this market inverse this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. As soon as the market inverse this bearish fair value gap, I entered my trade in this candle, stop loss over here, and target for 1:2. And guess what? Market tapped into this. Market took out this 4 hour equal lows on the DXY. As soon as the market took out this equal lows, market gave huge bearish momentum, bearish pressure over the market. So that's the reason why I took the trade, and both of the trade played out pretty well. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.